Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to talk about the latest lineup that Samsung is going to be dropping on January 22nd. According to their to their teaser that they just released, you can just see the video that they released announcing the January 22nd event.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Okay, so the report we are getting is that Samsung is going to be releasing four lineup, which is the S25, S25 Plus, and to S25 Ultra, then S25 Slim, which is the new baby that is joining the family. Samsung has never had anything slim in the past, so they are introducing the Slim, and this is what we are going to be discussing in this video. I'm going to be telling you every rumor that concerns this latest introduction to Samsung's lineup. The first thing is the performance. Reports suggest that it's going to come with Snapdragon Elite chipset, meaning that is the best chipset for mobile device since late 2024. All the high-tech mobile device being produced by telecom companies now, they are using the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. And of course, we are not surprised that Samsung is going to be using it on this their new arrival, which is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim. So it's going to come with impressive camera setup, just like the predecessor, but this one is going to be well situated. It's going to be a little bit different from that of S24 Ultra. So, and the main camera is going to come with a massive 200 megapixel main camera, then 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, and 50 megapixel telephoto lens. And it's going to come with an improved 5,000 milliamp hours of battery. So the battery life is going to be bigger than that of S24 Ultra and the S25 Ultra that I'm going to talk in our separate video. Of course, it's going to come with an OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The size is going to be 6.7 inches and the resolution is going to be 1080 by 2400 pixel with 20.9 aspect ratio. So it's going to be very slim and it's going to be lighter than that of the predecessor, which is the S24 Ultra that we currently have now. But the scary report that we are getting about this is it's not going to include S Pen, but I want to keep our fingers crossed on that because if it doesn't support S Pen, that means it's not a Samsung device. We also heard that it's going to be a wired charging phone, so it's not going to come with wireless capability. So these are the reports that we've gotten about the S25 Slim that Samsung is going to be releasing in January this year. So stay tuned, and I will also be dropping video about the S20, S25, S25 Ultra, and of course S25 Plus. So all these things, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the country you are watching for. See you in my next video.